Archibald Thompson says, "There is no velvet so soft as a mother's lap, no rose as lovely as her smile, no path so flowery as that imprinted with her footsteps." Confined in our homes in this pandemic hit difficult times, we are craving to go out and live our social lives as carefree as the pre-COVID days. Contrary to this, some of our fellow beings, especially the healthcare professionals, are yearning to spend their time with their kids and family. To fulfill their professional responsibilities of saving the lives of others, they are battling this deadly disease, not only for themselves, but also their family members' lives. No doubt, these professionals are recognized with high regard as Corona warriors. They are our doctors, nurses, or paramedical staff. Today, on 12th May 2021, the occasion of International Nurses Day, let's have a look at the stories of our three nurse moms who are battling it incessantly to defeat Corona and save our lives and lives of our family members and friends. This is the reason why our scriptures say that anyone who cures or nurses us are our Dhaima or Dhatri and regards them as the avatar of nursing moms. Priyanka D'Souza, a nurse manager at Nanavati Max Super Speciality Hospital in Mumbai, is nursing round the clock in this pandemic to help her patients overcome corona infections. A mother of a 2-year-old child, Priyanka admits that the times are indeed difficult but not unsurmountable. With the passion and love of saving lives, all of it becomes manageable. She credits her in-laws who have been her greatest support in the corona battlefield. They take care of a little child as she goes out to save lives. She says, "We have to go to the grassroots level because we are passionate nurses and we love what we do." Working as the senior staff nurse in a COVID ICU at Goyal Hospital, Delhi, Preeti Anamika Dayal is our nurse mom who seamlessly juggles with her dual role. Not only she nurses to the patients at a critical stage of corona at the hospital, but also nurses her 9-year-old daughter at home. Being a single mother, it has been quite difficult for her to juggle between her professional and familial commitments. Throughout the day, she tends to the COVID-infected patients, and then when she goes home, out of her PPE kit, face mask and shield, she makes sure to maintain social distancing from her daughter as she doesn't want to risk her daughter's life. When everyone else is on a work from home or WFH, enjoying the best of personal and professional time, Marilyn Oliveira, a nurse manager at Nanavati Max Super Speciality Hospital, Mumbai, has to leave her little daughter at home to attend to her patients at the hospital. She says, "It is very sad at times because my little one wants me by her side whenever she wakes up and I can't be there." But over time, she has been learning to cope up with this physical distancing. With each passing day, her daughter is evolving her bond stronger with her other family members. Marilyn longs for the time when she can keep her phone away for the whole day and spend each second of the day with her daughter. At such an age, where the kid requires her mother to grow, this supermom is doing her service to her patients and her nation. Not all the battles are fought by personnel armed with arms and ammunitions in the battleground. Some are fought on the hospital beds by the patients armed with our nurses' care and compassion. Salute to our Dhatris, nurses, doctors, and paramedical professionals for giving us our second lives. Your very own publishing house, Books 33, is shortly coming up with our latest book titled Love You Mom. Book your copy now. Stay tuned to Books 33's initiative of celebrating motherhood this entire month of May. Shortly, we will be coming up with another mom's story of grit and grandeur in the face of highs and lows. Books 33, a home of the authors, by the authors, and for the authors.